Hindi na po kami, sinasabihan po kung okay lang po kami, pero
Oh my God, Hebron is crying, you see?
hindi na po sinasabi na nahirapan na po siya. Daddy, mag-ingat ka lang po dyan palagi.
He's the finalist, the Voice Kids grand finalist. Oh, yeah.
Huwag mo po papabay.
Yeah, I'm rooting for him. He's such a talented guy. He deserves it. And Stel worked hard.
Papabayaan yung sarili mo po. Ingat ka po palagi sa pagdating.
He's emotional. He's emotional. Of course, it's final. It's the grand final.
Drive.
Kaya niya naman po ito ginagawa to help his family. Kasi gusto niya nga po yung dad niya is hindi na po umalis ng Pilipinas para magtrabaho
Yeah.
sa ibang bansa. Tapusin mo siya ng malinis.
Katulad ni Stel.
The way Stel is giving him advice time to time. And the way Stel helps him.
Hindi na rin maiwasan ng iba pang The Voice Kids coaches na ma-attach sa kanilang mga kids.